how to correctly use Riverside Transcription. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can correctly use Riverside Transcription. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Riverside FM and click on Get Started. Over here, create an account or sign in using your Google, Apple or Spotify account. After that, once you're logged in, click on Edit Content. Then upload your file by selecting audio, video, or both, or you can paste a YouTube URL. Once your file is uploaded, it might take a few minutes to process. After that, you'll see a transcript of your entire video. You can now edit the captions on the screen by choosing a readable font and adjusting the font size. Then you can add titles, subtitles, and smart titles. Once you are satisfied with the edits, go to the top right corner and click Export. Over here, you can adjust the video quality, remove the watermark, or normalize audio levels before finalizing your export. So that's how you can correctly use Riverside Transcription. That's all for this video.